Next expansion is expansion of a minus b bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube means 3 times multiplication of a minus b to itself. Now we can write a minus b multiplied by a minus b multiplied by a minus b. Now we can write a minus b multiplied by, instead of these two bracket, a minus b bracket square. Now we know that a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion. So we can write a minus b multiplied by a square minus 2ab plus b square instead of this. Now we will multiply a to second bracket, then negative sign, b to second bracket is equals to a multiplied by a square, that is a cube, minus a multiplied by 2ab, 2a square b, plus a multiplied by b square, that is ab square, minus b multiplied by a square, so a square b, minus multiplied by minus, that is plus, b multiplied by 2ab, that is 2ab square, minus multiplied by plus, that is minus, b multiplied by b square, that is b cube. Now on simplifying, a cube, now see here, minus 2a square b minus a square b, that is minus 3a square b, plus ab square plus 2ab square, that is 3ab square minus b cube. Therefore expansion of a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And in previous lecture we have learned a plus b bracket cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now on comparing these two, we will realize that if negative sign is there, second and fourth term is negative. If positive sign is there, all terms are positive. Now let us solve practice set 5.3. First question is 2m minus 5 bracket cube. So 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equals to 2m cube minus 3 multiplied by 2m square multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2m multiplied by 5 square minus 5 cube is equals to 2 cube, that is 8m cube, minus 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4, that is 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, multiplied by 4m square, plus 3 multiplied by 2m, that is 6m, multiplied by 5 square, that is 25, minus 5 cube is 125. So 8m cube minus 15 fours are 60m square plus 6 multiplied by 25, that is 150 m minus 125. Therefore expansion of 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equals to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Second question is 4 minus p bracket cube. So 4 minus p bracket cube is equals to 4 cube minus 3 multiplied by 4 square multiplied by p plus 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by p square minus p cube is equals to 4 cube, that is 64, minus 3p multiplied by 4 square, that is 16, plus 3 4s are 12 multiplied by p square minus p cube is equals to 64 minus 16 3s are 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Therefore, expansion of 4 minus p cube is equals to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Third question is 7x minus 9y bracket cube. 7x minus 9y bracket cube is equals to 7x multiplied by 3 minus 3 multiplied by 7x bracket square multiplied by 9y plus 3 multiplied by 7x multiplied by 9y bracket square minus 9y bracket cube is equals to 7 cube, that is 343x cube minus 3 multiplied by 9y, that is 27y multiplied by 7 square, that is 49x square plus 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21x multiplied by 9 square, that is 81y square minus 9 cube, that is 729y cube is equals to 343x cube minus 27 multiplied by 49, 1323x square y plus 21 multiplied by 81, that is 1701 xy square minus 729 y cube. Therefore, expansion of 7x minus 9y bracket cube is equals to 343x cube minus 1323x square y plus 1701 xy square minus 729y cube. Fourth question is 58 cube. Now we can write 58 as 60 minus 2 bracket cube. So expansion for 60 minus 2 bracket cube is equals to 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube is equals to, see, 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube is equals to 60 cube, that is 2,16,000 minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 multiplied by 60 square, that is 3,600 plus 3 multiplied by 60, that is 180 multiplied by 4 minus 8 is equals to minus 6 multiplied by 3600, that is 21,600, plus 4 multiplied by 180, that is 720, minus 8 is equals to 1,95,112. Therefore, expansion of 58 is equals to 60 minus 2 bracket cube is equals to 1,95,112. Next is 198. So we can write it 200 minus 2 bracket cube. So expansion for 200 minus 2 bracket cube is equals to 200 cube minus 3 multiplied by 200 square multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 2 square minus 2 cube is equals to 200 cube, that is 8 lakhs. Sorry, that is equals to 80 lakhs minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 multiplied by 200 square, that is 40,000, plus 3 multiplied by 200, that is 600 multiplied by 4, minus 2 cube, that is 8, is equals to 80 lakh minus 6 multiplied by 40,000, 2,40,000, plus 600 multiplied by 4, that is 2,400, minus 8, which is equals to 77,62,392. Therefore 198 cube is equals to 200 minus 2 bracket cube is equals to 77,62,392. Now next question is 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. So 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube is equals to 2p cube minus 3 multiplied by 2p square multiplied by 1 upon 2p plus 3 multiplied by 2p multiplied by 1 upon 2p square minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube is equals to 2 cube, that is 8p cube minus 3 multiplied by 2p multiplied by 2p multiplied by 1 upon 2p. So this 2p get cancelled, plus 3 multiplied by 2p multiplied by 1 upon 2p multiplied by 1 upon 2p. Again this 2p get cancelled, minus 1 cube, that is 1, 2 cube, that is 8, and p cube. So 1 upon 8p cube is equals to 8p cube minus 3 multiplied by 2p multiplied by 1, that is 6p, 3 2s are 6p, plus 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 upon 2p. So 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Therefore, expansion of 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube is equals to 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Seventh question is 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube. So 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube is equals to 1 cube minus 3 multiplied by 1 square multiplied by 1 upon a plus 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 upon a bracket square minus 1 upon a bracket cube is equals to 1 cube, that is 1, minus 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 upon a, that is 3 upon a, plus 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, multiplied by 1 square, that is 1. So 3 upon a square, that is a square, minus 1 cube is 1 upon a cube. So expansion of 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube is equal to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Next question, 8th question is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube is equals to x upon 3 bracket cube minus 3 into x upon 3 bracket square multiplied by 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon x bracket square minus 3 upon x bracket cube is equals to x cube, that is x cube, upon 3 cube, that is equals to 27, minus 3 multiplied by x upon 3 multiplied by x upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon x plus 3 multiplied by x upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon x multiplied by 3 upon x minus 3 cube, that is 27 upon x cube. Now here x cube upon 27 minus these 3 will get cancelled, this x will get cancelled, these 3 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? X plus this x is get cancelled. So remaining is 3 3s are 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. Therefore, expansion of x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube is equals to x cube upon 27 minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube.